Hello, students. Yesterday we had started Unit 5 and its first poem, The Lazy Frog. In this poem, we have studied that one of the frog is there which is very lazy, and he whole day he lulls all day upon a log. It means that he lied very conveniently, very comfortably on a log, as well as we have seen that this lazy frog, his name is Fred, who behaves very rudely with his mother as well as one of the lady frog which is passing him. So students, see, there are two stanzas yesterday we have studied and the behavior of the lazy frog. Now see, on your screen you can see the poem as well as we have studied it. See the last words of this poem, last word of each line. We call it rhyming words or the rhyming pairs. See, frog and log, shirk and work, then preferring and hearing, hip and asleep in first stanza. Then in second stanza you can see past and last, way and say, by and I. These are the rhyming pairs. You should write in your notebook. Then let's see new words. Yesterday we have explained, we have studied this poem, but once again we are going to revise it. See the meaning of the new words. See, lull, L-O-L-L, lull. First word is there, lull. Lull means to lie around lazily. See, L-O-L-L, lull means to lie around lazily. Our lazy frog, or lazy frog, whose name is Fred, always lull upon a log. Lull, to lie around lazily, निवांतपणे आळशीपणे पडून राहणं. Log, see the second word, log. Log means what? Trunk of a tree that has been cut. See, log means what? Trunk of a tree that has been cut. Log म्हणजे झाडाचा कट केलेला किंवा कापलेला बुंधा जो राहतो जमिनीवर, झाड कट केल्यानंतर जो बुंधा राहतो त्याला लॉग म्हणतात, आणि त्या लॉगवर आपला हा फ्रेड निवांतपणे पडलेला असतो. लॉग मीन्स ट्रंक ऑफ अ ट्री दॅट हॅज बीन कट. देन थर्ड वर्ड, shirk, to not to do something you should do. See, shirk means what? To not to do something you should do. जे तुम्ही करायला हवे ते न करणे, म्हणजे रूडली बिहेव करणं, दॅट इज शर्क. देन नेक्स्ट वर्ड, इनव्हॅन. इनव्हॅन मीन्स युजलेसली. इनव्हॅन मीन्स युजलेसली मीन्स निरर्थक, नो यूज. प्रेफर, लाईक समथिंग बेटर. प्रेफर मीन्स टू लाईक समथिंग बेटर, करायला आवडणे. हार्ड ऑफ हिअरिंग मीन्स डिफ. सी, हार्ड ऑफ हिअरिंग म्हणजे डिफ, की ज्याला ऐकायला येत नाही. सच अ पर्सन इज कॉल्ड अ डिफ. देन नेक्स्ट वर्ड, बो, B-O-W, बो. बो मीन्स टू बेंड युअर हेड टू शो रिस्पेक्ट. सो सी, दीज आर द बो. डू बो इज अ मॅनर टू बेंड युअर हेड टू शो अ रिस्पेक्ट. एखाद्याला आदर दाखवण्यासाठी आपण जेव्हा मान खाली वागवतो, दॅट इज कॉल्ड अ बो. अँड हिअर आवर फ्रेड इज व्हेरी रूड. who does not open one eye to show a respect to that lady frog. Now let's read. Let's discuss some exercise questions. What did the frog do all the day? See, listen very carefully. What did the frog do all the day? तो frog दिवसभर काय करायचा? That frog, see, that frog laid conveniently on the log of the tree. See, that frog laid conveniently or laid happily on the log of the ट्री. तो काय करायचा फ्रॉग दिवसभर? लल अपॉन अ लॉग, आळशीपणे पडून राहायचा. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, बिसाइड्स लेझी व्हॉट आर द वर्ड्स कॅन यू थिंक डिस्क्राईब द फ्रॉग? तुम्ही दुसरे असे वर्ड सांगाल का की जे लेझी सोडून आपल्या फ्रॉगला डिस्क्राईब करतात? आर देअर एनी वर्ड्स इन द पोएम? नो, बट यू कॅन सजेस्ट. सी, हिंट हॅज गिवन हाऊ ही बिहेव्ड विथ हिज मदर when a lady frog walk away. See, the hints are given. With the help of these hints you have to describe the behavior of the frog. See how his behavior is. See, he behaved just like a diff when his mother calls him, as well as he behaved very rudely when the lady frog passed when the lady frog passed away. It means that diff, rude, lazy, idle. These are the different words which describes the behavior of the Fred. Then see, let's see next question. Third one, complete the sentence with the reference to the poem. See, you have to complete the sentence with the help of the poem. See, when the frog's mother called him, he pretended to. जेव्हा त्याची आई त्याला बोलवायची, फ्रॉग्स मदर जेव्हा त्याला बोलवायची, how he pretend? He pretended to deaf. He pretended to deaf or hard of hearing. See students, तो कसा प्रिटेंड करायचा? हार्ड ऑफ हिअरिंग, की मला ऐकायला चालेल नाही, मी ऐकतच नाही, जस्ट लाईक अ डिफ. दिस इज द आन्सर. देन सेकंड वन, वेन अ लेडी फ्रॉग होप्स बाय, ही डज नॉट इव्हन. जेव्हा लेडी फ्रॉग त्याच्या जवळून जाते, ही डज नॉट इव्हन ओपन अ आय. तो डोळे वर करून बघायचं सुद्धा नाही. इन दिस वे वी हॅव completed the sentences. Did you like the frog's behavior? See the fourth question. Did you like the frog's behavior, students? This is a personal response type question. Personal response, it means that you have to present your opinion for these questions. Did you like the frog's behavior? तुम्हाला frog's behavior आवडलं का? If you like, you can say yes, I liked. If you did not like, then you can say I did not like. See, did you like the frog's behavior? Yes, I liked the frog's behavior. If you don't like, no, I did not like the frog's behavior. See on the next page, let's write. See, refer to the poem and understand it. The frog loved to laze and lie around all day. He did not like to any work at all. Now make true sentences about yourself. आता तुम्हाला काय करायचं आहे बघा. Write about the people you like, a game you play, a hobby, habit you have. You may use the following clues. तुम्हाला खाली आय लव्ह, आय लाईक हे क्लूज दिलेले आहेत अँड यू हॅव टू राईट अबाउट युअर सेल्फ. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, आय लव्ह, सी, आय लव्ह टू हेल्प अदर्स, मला इतरांना मदत करायला आवडते. आय लाईक टू प्ले क्रिकेट. सी, आय डोंट माइंड टू वॉश माय क्लोथ्स. आय डोंट लाईक टू टेल लाय, मला खोटं बोलायला आवडत नाही. आय डोंट लाईक टू टेल लाय. आय हेट, वी कॅन से आय हेट, मला राग येतो. आय हेट डर्टी. और आय हेट, वी कॅन से मला काय आवडत नाही. आय हेट डर्टी पीपल और yes. Then see, such a way you have to write these, you have to complete these sentences with the help of your own habits, own hobbies, or about your game. It means that you have to write about it yourself. Then see the last one, add one more matching, see, say aloud, add one more matching word to each other. One has been done for you. Now see, you have to write a rhyming pair like that only. Log, frog and dog, one has done for you. Log, frog and dog. Same, shirk, work and jerk. When, den, rain. Third one, when, den, rain. Preferring, hearing, or murmuring. Hip, keep, tip. Past, last, cast. Way, say, may. See students, these two words has given for you and third one you have to add. Actually these are the rhyming pairs and you have to add the word which matches to the given pair. What kind of words are they? These are the rhyming pairs. So students, see, in this way we have completed, we have finished this poem. So as a homework you should complete all exercise questions in your notebook. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe.